Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this, and I cannot figure out how to do it in Corel, but in Monster or MacroMonster.com, the e-cuts, it's really very inexpensive and very, very helpful. I'm not trying to sell you on it, just showing you what it can do. In the last video, we needed to get rid of these. Well, this piece has 3 nodes. They all have 3 nodes. All the rest of them have more than 3. So we could select that and select the master shape and then hit delete. Whoop, that didn't work. Curve node count advanced. Now we hit delete. And watch them all disappear in that short a time if you have Monster Macro. So all you have to do is just, every time you want it, just go to Monster Macro. It's right here under search. And there's a lot of ways you can search, much more than Corel, and really handy. So, Monster Macro, or Macro Monster, and e-cuts. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you.